Welcome to the Rasmussen College Virtual Career Fair. During this annual event, you will have access to a variety of easy-to-use career support resources, access to employment opportunities, and the chance to build a strong network of industry experts. From the homepage, you can find all the information you need to know about the fair, including the date and time when employers will be available during the event. The best part of an online career fair? You can attend at your own convenience from online anywhere, from your computer, iOS, or Android device. Once registered, you can even attend after the main event. It is important that you register and upload your resume prior to the event to help you feel fully prepared for the virtual career fair. Simply enter your information, upload documents like your resume and profile image, and click the registration button. Then, you're ready to explore. As you learn more about the career fair, you can update your profile at any time. Uploading your resume and professional profile picture are important, as employers are able to search resumes to find top talent for their open positions. Once the virtual career fair has begun, you will enter the welcome lobby. This is your home base. From here, you can get in touch with our dedicated teams. Stop by the admissions booth to learn more about the variety of programs offered at Rasmussen College. Have your resume reviewed by visiting the Career Services booth. You can also visit our alumni booth to ask questions about the many benefits as a member of our Rasmussen alumni. At the top of your screen, you can easily access all the benefits of the virtual career fair: the lobby, exhibition hall, video vault, networking chat rooms, resources, your virtual bag, the auditorium, technical support, and a full list of available jobs. Click on the exhibition hall to see all of the organizations that are hiring during the event. Move your cursor from side to side for a preview of the employer booths. You can quickly filter by location by clicking on the exhibition hall button again. Underneath the booth slides, you also have an alphabetized index of all participating employers. Simply click on an employer and you will be directed to the organization's booth. At the booth, you will find important company information. Resources may vary from each organization, but can range from videos and career fair documents to contact information and social media accounts. You can save any important employer documents in your virtual bag to view later. If there is a job vacancies button, click to see all of the career opportunities at the organization. You can view a full job description and application requirements. If the career matches with your skill set and interests, you can click Apply for this job and follow the instructions. Not only can you complete your application at the booth, but you can also instantly start an online chat with the organization's recruiters. Click the chat button where you'll be taken to a chat message board. The first screen you'll enter is a chat room where your messages will be received by all of the organization's online recruiters. To start a private chat, simply click on their name and a text window will appear. You can also initiate a video conversation with a recruiter by clicking on the audio icon on the private chat window. Once they accept, you can start chatting face-to-face. Just make sure you are on a computer with a built-in camera and a built-in microphone. Introduce yourself, ask questions, and promote your skills. They are looking to hire candidates just like you. Not only can you chat directly with recruiters, but you can also instantly speak with a career services expert for resume advice, networking tips, and insights on industry trends, or live chat with Rasmussen alumni for advice and motivation. Click on the Back to Floor button in the top left corner to learn more about other companies. You can also quickly navigate between different opportunities at the fair, including all available company videos in the Video Vault and company documents in the Resources tab. The Networking button lets you automatically enter the instant chat section of the fair. Navigate to the auditorium in the top navigation. Here you can join webinars hosted by our experienced career services team. In each session, you will get extra tips to help you feel confident, from interpreting job postings and professional communication to leveraging your networking system and how to master the interview. You can view a full agenda of our webinar sessions by clicking on the center screen. If you experience any technical issues, in the top navigation, click on Technical Support. Best of luck on your career journey at the Rasmussen Virtual Career Fair.